What's up guys, welcome back to the shop. I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and today I'm gonna show you how to clean your steering wheel. Now the steering wheel is the most touched item on any type of car. When you're driving it, you got your hands on it and you're controlling the vehicle. Plus all of the dirty stuff that's on your hands like food, grease, body oils, it all gets on the steering wheel and it leaves it slippery. But today I'm gonna show you how to clean this steering wheel just like a pro using our Masterson's Car Care leather cleaner and conditioner. So right here, I got our Masterson's leather cleaner and I got our Masterson's Car Care leather conditioner. These are the best tag team items you're gonna use to get your steering wheel looking great. Now you can pick these up right now on our website, mastersonswax.com, where you can get everything you need to get your car looking great. Now right here, we're in an SL55 AMG Mercedes, and you can tell right here it's got a big old Mercedes emblem right in the middle, and this steering wheel looks a little shiny and it doesn't feel new. So I'm going to show you how to clean it just like a pro. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my leather conditioner or my leather cleaner. This is diluted 6:1, and we're going to start scrubbing the steering wheel. I also have one of our superior Boar's hair detailing brushes right here. So I'm going to first take my my microfiber and I'm going to spray the leather cleaner on the steering wheel. Don't worry if it gets on you. Just go ahead and take the microfiber and put it on there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to give this steering wheel a good scrubbing with our horsehair brush. Now I'm actually going to clean everything on this wheel. There we go. And I love how our leather cleaner really just cleans and gets deep down in there and gets all that body oil off. There's a lot of body oil built up on these little emblems right here, and now they're starting to look a lot better. Spray it in there, get that cleaner deep inside there. I went ahead and got a little bit of cleaner on the back gauge cluster, so if you get some on your gauges, go ahead and wipe it off. There we go. Now I did a full scrubbing on the front with our brush. Now I'm going to take our microfiber drying towel or a microfiber towel, and I'm actually going to give this a good cleaning and wipe down. That way we're pulling off all the dirt and the grime that's stuck in the wheel and on the leather. This is actually a real leather steering wheel, so we want to make sure that we clean off all the dirt and the grime. And look at all the dirt that's coming off. That's a lot of dirt. It's already starting to look much better too, and we're getting that nice matte look. See, leather is actually supposed to have a matte look to it. It's not supposed to look dry, but it's supposed to have a matte appearance. And once you get all that body oil off, you really bring back that matte look. There's actually some areas back here I want you guys to take notice. Check out this little area back here, if you guys can get in there. This is all the body oil from your fingers going on that little switch. This Mercedes was owned by an old man, so he had that old man greasy fingers. So we're gonna clean that off to make sure it looks good. So now look at this wheel. This wheel is looking amazingly clean. It feels clean too. That's the best thing about it. So now let's go ahead and give it some conditioning with our Masterson's Car Care leather conditioner. Now this smells like original Mercedes-Benz, has an original Mercedes-Benz scent. So we're just gonna take a little bit of our conditioner, put it on our pad, and I'm going to rub this in to the applicator pad, and then we're gonna spread this on the wheel. Now remember, this is a real leather steering wheel. It's not like faux leather or vinyl. This is real leather. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the conditioner all over the leather, including the airbag. That way we get the same look, because our leather conditioner works on regular leather. It also works on faux leather, vinyl. So if you're looking to give it a nice protection, a nice look, this is really the way you wanna do it. And you wanna rub the leather conditioner lotion into the steering wheel. Make sure you push it deep into the pores of the leather. Here we go. Now let's take our microfiber towel as a secondary microfiber towel, and we're just gonna give this a nice, just light wipe. We're gonna wipe off any excess. We don't want a greasy steering wheel. We want a nice new steering wheel. There we go. And look, I mean, even the leather cleaner and conditioner work great on these switches. It really cleaned up the switches, and it made a big difference right there. That's a big difference. It feels so much better. Wow, The leather feels softer on this wheel, and it really does make the driving just amazing experience when you're driving a car like this. When you have a convertible like this, it's important to keep all of your interior surfaces clean and protected because they're going to be exposed to more solar rays and more sun and more damaging effects that can fade and discolor your leather steering wheel. So now we got our leather steering wheel all cleaned up. We actually cleaned our leather seats a little bit earlier with our Masterson's leather cleaner and our Masterson's leather conditioner. Now you can pick up this tag team leather combo right now on our website, mastersonswax.com, where you can get everything you need to get your car looking great, plus all the accessories and brushes that you need to get your car looking amazing. I got some leather conditioner on me. Just go ahead and wipe it off, and it has that nice, amazing leather smell. It's the best part about this product. Well, thanks a lot, guys, for watching. Now you guys know exactly how to clean your leather steering wheel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to click that subscribe button. Check out all the other videos we have right here on our channel. I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care. We'll see you next time, and always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.